This video will be more than 2 minutes because I want to show you all the formulas. So for this first one, simple interest, I would do I equals PRT. So interest equals principal, which is 8,000, times your rate, which is 6%, and your time is 1. So that's going to be $480. And then for the second one, it's compounded, and the formula for that is A equals P, 1 plus R over N to the NT. A is your accumulation amount, so it's going to be principal plus interest. But our principal is 10,000. 1 plus 0.08 divided by N. N is the number of times interest is calculated per year. So semi-annually, which would be 2. And then 2 times 1, because it says 1 year. So this is A equals 10,000. And that's going to be 1.04 squared. So your nastiest calculation is 1.04 squared, but it's really a nice calculation. That's 16, that's 4. And that's a 4 and a 0 and a 1. And 61801, 4 decimal places move it, 1.0816. And of course you want to multiply this by 10,000. And what that's going to do is just move your decimal 4 places to the right. So it's going to give you 10816. So you can tell your interest is 816. And you want to add that to 480. And that's 691296. So it took me 1 minute 48 seconds to work the problem. That was showing a lot of steps.